Oh, Phantom Aquatics dry bag, 25 liters. Amazon was like 60 bucks. It's the review. Not bad. Just the side. Put my pliers and a knife in there. And then the inside. It's a little dirty. I've been using it for about a week. Has a little inside zipper. As you can see, it's pretty big. Well built. I keep a little emergency inside here. Emergency first aid. First aid kit. Fits nice. Use this for a little fishing on the rocks. Leave it out in the rain, don't have to worry. Fits a ton of gear. I recommend it. 2 thumbs up. Has reflectors on the front. And also the straps have reflectors. So in case somebody walks away with your shit, you can see it. Pretty cherry.